Viewers, now we discuss how to form the incidence matrix of a graph. Let G dash be a graph having n vertices and m edges. Let Vg dash be the vertex set and Eg dash be the edge set. Both of the vertex and edge sets maintain order. That is, if v1 dash, v2 dash up to vn dash, and that is if this is a vertex set, and u1 dash, e2 dash up to em dash are order of vertex, that is called vertices, and edges respectively. Then the incidence matrix is given by Ig dash of G dash with respect to the ordering of Vg dash and Eg dash. Is actually with respect to the given ordering of Vg dash and Eg dash is of the order n by m matrix I dash ij where I dash ij that will be given by 0 if v dash I is not an end point of e dash j, if it is 0 if v dash I is an end point of e dash j which is not loop, and it is called 1, 0 for v dash I is not endpoint of e dash j, and 1 for v dash I is an endpoint of e dash j which is not loop, and for 2 if v dash I is an endpoint of e dash j which is loop. So 3 criteria have to be satisfied for constructing the matrix. So we already discussed the definitions, criteria, and how to form this type of matrix. Now we are coming with the formation process of constructions of the matrix. So we have to consider here an examples, and these examples will be discussed here now. If v1 dash, v2 dash, v3 dash, v4 dash, we construct the vg dash as a order of ordering like this: v1 dash, v2 dash, v3 dash and v4 dash, and that is called vertex set. It is called vertex set. And edge sets, if we consider here, that is v1 dash and v2 dash, that's incident with e1 dash. And if v1 dash, v2 dash and v3 dash, that's if incidents with e2 dash. And if we consider here v3 dash and v4 dash, that's incident with e3 dash. And if we consider here v4 dash and v3 dash, now if we construct another parallel edges like e4 dash, if we construct here v4 dash and v1 dash, if we consider here the edges of e5 dash, and if we consider here another parallel edges for v1 dash and v2 dash, that is if we consider here e6 dash, and if we consider here a loop like this e7 dash. So now we construct the incidence matrix, and order sets will consisting of e1 dash, that is eg dash is given by e1 dash, e2 dash, e3 dash, e4 dash, e5 dash, e6 dash and e7 dash. So in this way, so we are following here the matrix, then we construct the following matrix, given matrix here. Now the vertex sets will be consisting of the 4 vertices and edge sets consisting with 7 vertices. So we find a matrix Ig dash is of the order 4 by 7. Now how to form this Ig dash? Ig dash, that is given by here, is the notation of the matrix, and v1 dash, v2 dash, v3 dash and v4 dash, here it is e1 dash, e2 dash, e3 dash, e4 dash, e5 dash, e6 dash and e7 dash. Now v1 dash and e1 dash, and the following conditions: v1 dash and e1 dash, that's incident with 1 endpoint of e1 dash, so result will be 1, and it is not loop, so result will be 1. v1 dash e2 dash, there will be no connection of v1 dash and e2 dash, so result will be 0, no incidence functions. And v1 dash e3 dash, but here e3 dash 0. v1 dash e4 dash, here there is no connection v1 dash and e4 dash, no endpoint, that result will be 0 because it's not endpoint of e4 dash. v1 dash and e5 dash, v1 dash is the endpoint of one endpoint of e5 dash, so result will be 1. v1 dash and e6 dash also endpoint, since it is a parallel edges, so result will be 1. v1 dash and e7 dash, no endpoint, so result will be 0. Now v2 dash e1 dash, v2 dash e1 dash endpoint, so result will be 1. v2 dash e2 dash endpoint, so result will be 1. v2 dash e3 dash, no connection, so result will be 0. v2 dash e4 dash, Why no connection since it is a parallel edges. Result will be 0. Now V2 dash E5 dash no connection, so result will be 0. V2 dash E6 dash E6 dash 1 endpoint since it is parallel edges, so result will be 1 since there is no loop, so it will be 1. V2 dash E7 dash no connection with the endpoint, so result will be 0. V3 dash E1 dash result will be 0. V3 dash E2 dash 1 endpoint, so result will be 1. V3 dash E3 dash 1 endpoint, so result will be 1. V3 dash E4 dash result will be 1. V3 dash E5 dash result will be 0. V3 dash E6 dash no connection, so result will be 0. V3 dash E7 dash, so result will be 0 here. So we find the matrix here 1 1 0 0 0. Now if we consider V4 dash E1 dash no connection, so result will be 0. V4 dash E2 dash result will be 0. V4 dash E3 dash 1 endpoint, so result will be 1. V4 dash E4 dash parallel edges, result will be 1 endpoint. V4 dash E5 dash V4 dash E5, the result will be 1. V4 dash E6 dash no connection, so result will be 0, not endpoint of the edges. V4 dash E7 dash, and here it is a loop, so result will be 2. So finally we find this matrix, and this is the incidence matrix, and it's maintain the order of 4 by 7. So Ig is given in this way, corresponding incidence matrix. And if we change the order, so the order will change. If we maintain in this order like V1 dash, V2 dash, and here V4 dash and V7 dash, if we change the corresponding edges, and then if we maintaining the same process, we construct different type of matrix for different order. So order should be maintained for constructing any kind of incident matrix, whatever the order may be as per choice, but it should be maintained in the same way to find out the as per as the choice of the order to get the incidence matrix. So now we already done our discussions, how to construct the incidence matrix with the help of an examples, and also we discussed the definition earlier to get the clear idea. Now we end our discussions. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.